Get him. Get him. Keep going. There, see him? Brandon? You right? You found him, Nippy. Yay! You can.
Get him, Jeff.
Oh, oh, is he there? He's coming out.
Get him.
You get him. Oh boy, oh boy.
I think he got away. I think he might have got away. Where'd he go?
You're crawling there again.
Where'd he go?
Good job.
I don't know where he is,
You're a
Jeff.
big dog, I know.
I can't see him no more. You ready to come back out?
Alright, let's find another one. Let's find another Jip.